All right, we are back again in a new video reaction. I just want us to listen to what NTM Makeup have to say. The update from the activities between the Liberation Army and Nigerian security forces. Remember, what we do here is to bring to you updates, what is going on, and drop our own opinion on that. All right, so we are not here to promote violence or killing or to promote criminality. No, not at all. We are not in position to encourage you to do anything. The choice you make is entirely your business. But for you to understand what is going on and what is playing out, you need to be able to remember what happened yesterday. What do I mean by what happened yesterday? Previous or beginning of genesis of the whole issue. That will enable you to understand what is going to happen next. Many of you know him, many of you follow him, many of you have, you drive journalists to him. So we are here again to go through his opinion, what he said, and make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel in case if you are new. Do us a favor by making sure that you contribute massively on this one. All right. So without wasting much of your time, let's hear from him.
The consensus people, Biafrans, this information is a sad one, and I want the consensus people to look the continuous assassination, killing, gruesome murder of Hope Posodema against Biafrans. I am here to report to you what actually happens today, being the 24th of July 2025, that Fulani, look at, I will show you a video over what Fulani have done, and this is what Hope Posodema has been trying in all these years to make sure that the Fulani infiltrated into the communities of Biafrans, killing Biafrans. This is what happens in Okigwe State. How Okiso Fire and the Uchenna Okeke of Ebubago terrorizing the axis of Arondi Zog. Look at what they committed. The Asari Dakobo boys, the Musa boys, they invaded Arondi Zog community in Okigwe State, killing innocent Biafrans. It is time for Biafrans to understand that the sponsors of this insecurity, of this gruesome murder, is Obiekunye, Mazi Obiekunye of Arondi Zog Ochuno, Mazi Zumes of Arondi Zog Ochuno, Eze Ndiawa, Eze Kosman, the Arondi Zog politicians who are supporting criminality, who are supporting kidnappers, who are kidnapping Biafrans. And it is time for Okiso to be held accountable. And Biafrans must understand that it is only Biafra Liberation Army that can protect Biafrans. Fulani herdsmen, according to directive of DSS and Hope Posodema, they have been directed to invade Biafrans communities to kill. Child, it is a bad one. Very, very bad one.
Yeah, man, last night. This happened last night. Yeah. At Ejezi Iziogo. Last night. These people were killed last night. As a matter of fact, I was seated with this guy over here. We were playing draft together. I was seated here. Look at the draft we were playing. Some self was with me yesterday. When this thing happened, I ran. We were just about 3 persons that survived from these people that was killed here. Trust this easy. The woman was here now. Hey! The woman was here. Oh, happened to him. One person was killed here in this shop. How about you in another shop? So, then with the shop of him. Yeah, one of the persons survived, but they were Toria. I'm on a gas shop. How about you the shop?
Honestly, I received these videos. Wait, just hold on.
Charity. Oh, no, young now. We've been in our opera. Now, of course, I paint a normal. So, you're a charity. Charity by. Is it? I'm going to do that. So, just come about the thing first. Because when you get more chance in your yard, God, dear Harry more. Ever have a water Harry more issue. Yeah, we own as a cabra.
I received this video. I received the up to 4. Somebody send it on my WhatsApp. But how can I display this kind of picture? Do you understand? If you want to see it, if you have not, I will upload it on my Twitter, so you can watch it yourself. It is very, very sad. Like, I don't know why some people are like that. Like a man and his wife. I don't even know where to start, to be honest with you, because is it the youth? And these are innocent people on their own. They don't even have even 2x2. They're not holding even 2x2, let alone harmful objects. Like what guy that one of the people that recorded the video said that he was here playing draft with one of the guy. I don't know why. I don't know what happened to him. Maybe he's lucky. Maybe immediately he left that place, this kind of thing happened. Go and go. You are a human being before you start carrying gun. Even if you want to maybe have issue with someone, if you don't know how to do it, why don't you just focus on the person? Biafra Liberation Army, they are not hiding. You know where they are. Like they know where you are as well. Do you understand? But you choose to go after people who don't even have anything. The only offense of this people is that they sleep in Igbo land and wake up in Igbo land. Nothing more. Are they part of the Liberation Army? The answer is no. Are they against you or stopping you from doing your checkpoint and all that? The answer is no. What exactly is the offense? In countries that recognize human lives, this kind of thing will not happen. Even though, like I said, I'm not here to tell you what to do. Okay, my own is that can you just start paying attention to human life, like people who are not even posing any threats to you, as Nigerian Army, Nigerian Police, and Nigerian Ibubago, Nigerian Ndakodo, whatever you want to, your name is. Can you leave people who are doing their business, people who have their shops, just to sell, buying and do? People that are doing buying and selling, they buy some, they sell for them to feed their family. Like this man and this woman, husband and wife, probably by one person. You shot her, the woman, then you shot her husband. You don't care about how their children would be. You don't care about anything because you know where trigger is. It is not good. That's all I can say. It is not good. All this thing makes me feel weak, especially knowing for a fact that even those who claim they are fighting for Biafra, you saw this video now, there yet you see your more your number one interest is how to become a leader, how to be in command and control. Is unfair now. It's unfair. Can we just remember that we are human being before any other thing? Anyway, like I said, if you want to watch the full video, normally I think I'm contemplating on stopping posting something on my WhatsApp because someone actually advised me to put that WhatsApp channel. But you know, I'm a kind of person that like if I post something, I love engagement. So I'm not getting any engagement or anything at all, and that WhatsApp channel is not going the way I expect it to be. So maybe I'm gonna focus more on Twitter for now. But I'm not saying that WhatsApp channel is gonna end. Maybe I will be posting that as well. Someone, if I see anybody that can manage, help me to manage WhatsApp group. I think WhatsApp group may be more nice because this kind of video you cannot share it on Facebook, not even on your YT. So, and it's very, very important that all of you, everybody, have a look at it because maybe you are living somewhere in Anambra, you don't know what's going on in Imo State. You are living in Imo State, you don't know that what no matter happening in Imo State is not happening somewhere in Ebonyi, in Enugu, in Abia. You know that kind of thing. So it's always good for you to keep yourself informed. Anyway, please like the video and share. Tell me what you think about it. I'm sorry that I did not bring the video or the picture of these people here. If I do that, it's a problem. In fact, I hope that even this one will not be a problem though. I just hope. God bless you and thank you so much. Make sure you like the video. Bye bye for now.